Hey guys, Josh Zamora here with a very quick video to talk to you about a brand new bonus that we've decided to put together for this weekend only. For those of you who have not yet picked up Adtivate, and obviously those of you that have picked up Adtivate will be rewarded with this new bonus as well, and that is unlocking our high ticket affiliate offer finder. Okay, and this new bonus truly completes the full circle of being able to find high ticket offers with Adtivate and then being able to create, add, manage, and deploy those offers onto your sites as well. So this new bonus really just completes everything and also allows you to quickly and easily find high converting offers to promote within seconds if you don't already have offers to promote. So this is a new tab inside of the Adtivate members area that will be unlocked for everyone that picks Adtivate up during this weekend, and also obviously those of you that have already picked it up. So this is very simple to use as well, and you can come in here and search for offers in just about any niche as well. So if you're in the crypto niche as an example, which is a very hot niche right now, you just type in crypto and you can see all the amazing offers that are available to promote in the crypto niche. And you can see here the name of the offer will be here on the left hand side. The payout, okay, this one in particular pays over $1,500 CPA. Okay, if countries are limited, it will tell you how many countries are available, and you'll have the direct link to be able to apply for that offer on the network that it's listed on. Okay, so that is how simple and easy it is to use our high ticket affiliate offer finder. And like I said, you can literally come in here and just type in any niche that you're looking to find offers on, and our high ticket affiliate offer finder will return you some of the best offers that are out there. This one here, a keto diet offer, $140 CPA, available in the US, and here you can click to promote that offer. Okay, down here, do fasting. Okay, $50 CPA, available in 10 countries, and again you can click to apply for that offer. But this is a huge bonus that we decided to put together for this weekend only. As you can see, we could have easily sold this as its own separate upgrade offer, which we truly did consider doing so, but what we wanted to do was put together something big for the weekend for people that haven't picked this up yet, and that's what everyone who picks this up right now will be getting access to, is our high ticket affiliate offer finder, to really complete the full circle so that you can now find high ticket affiliate offers and then also have Adtivate, use Adtivate to create, add, manage, and deploy those offers onto your sites within seconds. So go ahead and pick this up right now at the link below, secure this huge bonus, which is very limited, and we will see you inside of the members area.